Yo, 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 CPA Strength here, back again with another video. I am blessed for this to be my 7th straight tax season that I'm going into. It's January 29th, 2018 right now. IRS is accepting tax returns right now. So 2017, we's a go. I started the 2011 tax season. I worked for the IRS as a volunteer income tax preparer. Now this is my job, is how I make a living, and I'm truly blessed to be able to do this. I found a passion for it, and I take this very, very serious. We got Tupac. I'm gonna be here with Tupac, so I won't be lonely this tax season. This is my board here that I look at all the time. Do your best. I always need to be remembered about do my best. I'm blessed. I always need to remember how blessed I am for everything. This video is hard for me to do. I kind of knew it might be coming. I'm not going to be doing daily uploads throughout tax season. Tax season is till about April 15th. So I probably won't start daily uploads again till May. I'm not going anywhere. I just have to be, I am an addict, and I get hugely addicted to what's in front of me. I thought I could do it all. I wanted to do it all. For this past month I've been trying to do it all. For January I've been trying to do it all. Which all for me is lifting, but I don't really think about exercise and lifting that much. So that's just kind of, that's an hour or 2 hours out of my day. But everything for me is YouTube and my business. My business being payroll, accounting, which is QuickBooks, and tax returns. I can't do tax returns because it takes such brain power on my part, and so does the YouTube. Basically, to do daily uploads, it takes me at least 3 hours a day, probably 3-4 hours a day, and it's such a brain drain that 3-4 hours I could be spending on doing taxes. So I just basically, I was like, do I even give this video about, I hate it. Oh, I'm basically, I'm not going to be doing what I was doing. Like, you know, who cares? This is going to be your last video for a little bit, but no, we got the Super Bowl coming up. I'm going to have a Super Bowl party. This week is 5 years no alcohol for me. That's coming up. So there's videos coming up. I just don't know if they're going to be at 8 a.m. Oh, so hit that notification bell so you be notified for all my uploads. I gotta start telling people that now. I'm just saying, hey, they might end up being mostly daily now. Set upload time, no. Daily, no. I've gone daily for over half a year now, so like 180 something videos. It was my goal in, I think, like June or late June or something, that hey, I'm gonna go daily. Like, and I'd never, before that I had never gone, I mean, I'd like once a week was a lot for me before this past summer. So I really pushed myself. See those older videos, I don't even know who I was. That was just 6 months ago. The channel went from like 20,000 to almost 40,000 in 6 months. I have basically I'm doing this for my daily watchers. I feel like I'm letting you down. I hope you understand. Like, I'm making this video for the people that I've been watching daily. You know, I would name y'all out, but I would forget somebody and make somebody feel bad, and that's never, I never want anybody to feel bad. I'm about uplifting people. And so there's a handful, you know, there's 5 or 10, 15, 20 people that have been watching my videos every day. They comment on all my videos, and it's amazing. I'm sorry if I'm letting you down. This is not what this is. It's just that, you know, I made a promise to my clients that I was gonna do, you know, good tax return for them, and this is like, this is what I do. This is, you know, it's like almost, I was thinking of as working on like a crab. You've seen those shows where they go on like a crabbing boat or something. They're away from society for like 3 months and they just work. That's kind of like what I'm going to be doing this tax season. Although I will be making some videos. Tax season's like February, March, half of April, the big, you know, tax season. That's like 75 days. Year's 365 days. I'm going to be coming with some videos. This video is getting long because I can talk forever. So anyways, I just want to say, it feels like I'm falling off, but I guess I'm not. I was debating whether to put this video out. I'm just letting you know that I can't do, the dailies are going to stop, and I feel bad for my daily watchers. I really do. It's just, I felt like the content wasn't that great. The content was a little rushed because I have so much other stuff going on, and so basically, you know, with doing YouTube and in tax season, to do them both, I can't give either one what they deserve. I guess for right now, I can't do both. Because I'm doing my business kind of half-assed and I'm doing YouTube half-assed. And I need to just, I'm going to cut the YouTube out for a little bit and go 100 on my taxes. So, for now, it's the CPA strength, and I'm out. Deuces.